the mazes. We done paced on them stages. Lay down, girl, I wanna taste it. Yeah, you're my baby. Energy won't change me.
No, them little people, she already know. Them little people, she already know. She calling my phone, her baby, bro.
It's Kaycgocraz in that motherfucker. One of the fashion designers out of the Inland Empire, clothing brand owner at Lover Drugs. Go follow my fashion design page right here. Go follow my clothing brand page right there. And as you can see, we all know why you're here to watch the video. You're obviously, one, have a clothing brand. Two, looking to start a clothing brand. Or three, you're just here to learn a screen print, to learn how to screen print. So yeah, we about to get straight into this. You only need 5 things: ink, a screen, squeegee, and a couple other things. It's only gonna be, you're only gonna pay around $120. You feel me? But if you need everything, hit my Instagram if you want to start a clothing brand, and we can talk in a DM. I'll help you start your clothing brand and give you everything that you need down below. Kaycgocraz, yeah. Chat coming soon. But yeah, let's get into this video. I'm gonna show you how to screen print a hoodie. We don't wanna spend no money on no manufacturer. We don't all have bread. We don't all have that like y'all, you feel me? We don't have 2 bands just to throw away, you feel me? Just to give out to a Pakistan or somebody out of state, you feel me? And pay another $800 in shipping. That's what they don't tell you. They don't tell you that. So boom, we all have our reasons why. Honestly, as a brand owner, as a clothing brand owner, you should know how to screen print. You should know how to sew. You should know how to, not even you should learn. Not even you should know. You should learn how to do this stuff. So when you do get big and get into the manufacturers, you know what to tell them. You know what you're looking for. You feel me? Because you're not going to be spending that money for nothing. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to teach y'all how to screen print a sample. You know, a quick sample just so you can get how you like, show people, and possibly sell it and make some money. You feel me? I'm showing you how to do this here on this page at Kaycgocraz. Yeah, and if y'all want, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Please, if I helped you out. And let me know down in the comments your clothing brand. Let me know down your clothing brand. Let's talk about it. So boom, I'm gonna show you what y'all need real quick, you feel me, to get into screen printing for your own clothing brand. Nigga, do this shit yourself. Sorry, I just had to spaz one time. So yeah, boom. First, you're gonna need a squeegee, about $10. $10, you feel me? Get you some ink. That's about $30. White is only like $30. So boom, that's 2 things you need. Get you a screen, bruh. Get you a screen made. If you don't know how to get a screen made, DM me on Instagram at Kaycgocraz, and I will put you into progress. If you DM me on Instagram, I'll get you a screen made, bruh. Oh God, I'll get you a screen made. The whole package, t-shirts, screen, everything. Just shoot me a DM on Instagram, bro. And y'all gotta follow my and y'all gotta hit the subscribe button too. So boom, that. What else? Fuck else we need, bro? Fuck else we need? Where's that? I don't know where it's at, bro. I don't know where it's at, but y'all gonna need a heat gun. Y'all gonna need a heat gun. I don't know where it's at. Heat gun's like $25. You feel me? So boom, there goes that. And what else? Oh, y'all will need a garment. Y'all will need a garment. 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 You feel me? And that can range from anywhere from $2 to $10, $2 to $20, $2 to $30. Whatever you trying to look for, whatever type of quality. If you got your plugs, you got your plugs. If not, hit me up on Instagram. Y'all can help y'all with screens. I can help y'all with designs. I can help y'all with getting y'all images vectorized to be able to put on a screen. You feel me? But yeah, we finna hop straight into this shit. You know, I hope y'all got everything you need. Y'all got y'all pens, y'all notepad, and y'all wrote down everything that y'all need to screen print. Now we finna hop into this shit. Yeah. Oh. All right, twin. We finna hop straight into this bit. We got our squeegee and we have our screen. And as you can see, our screen already has ink on it, right? So boom, we finna, this is called flooding the screen. So what you're gonna do is ink right here, flood the screen like so. Make sure everything is covered.
Girl, why I get close to you? Why the fuck I'm calling you? Like one day you ain't falling through. Now I don't follow you. Girl, you think I'm stupid. Cause you gon' go away, then come right back and like what?
This is just to start your business. You know what I'm saying? There's all types of machines and stuff that you can get, but I'm showing you how to do this if you ain't got no money at all and just got less than $120. You feel me? To invest into your business and to make $1,000, bro. Come on. So now next we is going to place the screen on top of the garment. Come on, I'm gonna show y'all.
Yeah, and I don't know if you won't still say that I'm in pain. You like, boy, you okay? Your love is what amazes. We done paced on them stages. Take down, girl, I wanna taste it. Yeah, you're my baby. Energy won't change me. Big shots to wave it. I'm educated. Break some, could I save it? Let the roof up, raise it. I don't want to just face it. I get hot.
Put pressure to ink solid. Now we're going to push the ink across at a diagonal degree. Feel me? Make sure all that shit get through it. I heard Bay text me. You know when you hear that when they emphasize that message, it's like you know which emphasize it is already off the rip. Like that for sure was the hard one. I'm finna show y'all in a minute. Yes, sir. Now watch this. Woo. Yes, sir. Bet. So now, once you did that and got everything right there, we're gonna take our heat gun, hit that motherfucker. See you in a minute. Hold on. I told you, twin. I'll tell you.
Don't talk to bitches, I'm a lay out this shit. And she asked me all up, but it was just damage to the roof. Bitch, so that's funny stick. I call this bitch my old man. It's Glocky hand shit. I call it piggy cause it go ham. Shit, but we the ones that started that. Bitch, I'm on for wood, so please don't ask you on my eyes, though. I'm fucking on your friend behind your back like some surprise, ho. Shit up in the function, but some move like Chris Breezy. I get tired of being me, cause being hard ain't easy. Boy.
Been a quarter for the switch to start. You should know you only baby to the week to start. I ain't going like 90 day whip, how do you strike? You in for the day, I be tired of saying. This little girls, I know my body on me, so it's fire. I can turn around and grab belly, do this and tired. No, them little people, she already know. Them little people, she already know. She calling my phone, her baby, bro.
That my little baby, she already know. That my little baby, she already know. She already know. Shot the shot with that song, nigga. Shoot your shot, nigga. Who give a fuck? Be ready and always be prepared to get told no. And if you get told no, curve before you get curved, bitch. That's game, nigga. That my little baby, she already know. 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 She already know, she calling my phone, her baby, bro. To the rain, Maria on the boat. I'm giving her dick, I'm all on the throat. Then my little baby, she already know, she calling my phone, her baby, bro. To the rain, Maria on the boat. I'm giving her dick, I'm all on the throat. Giving her dick, I'm all on the throat. No, then my little baby, she already know. Then my little baby, she already know, she calling my phone, her baby, bro. To the rain, Maria on the boat. I'm giving her dick, I'm all on the throat. Hey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Boom, boom, boom. That's how you print a sample. You feel me? If you're just now getting into a clothing brand, that's how you print a sample. Boom. And you can sell these motherfuckers if you got the hustle. You feel me? So boom, boom. And if you get more better at it, I'm gonna show you all how to do this. I don't care. Details is everything. You know what I'm saying? Details is everything. You gotta learn to love. Nigga, this came from my hands. Look, I'm gonna put y'all on game. Anything that life is created off energy, right? Anything, however you trying to think about it, any type of life, emotion is energy. When you get mad, that's energy. You feel me? And guess what? Created that energy. Whatever created that energy. You feel me? It could be a bitch. You feel me? It could be your boyfriend, your nigga, your mama. You feel me? Your auntie, nigga, your homie, anything. You feel me? Use that energy to create something. Stay with me now. Use that, stay with me now. Use that energy to create something. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Put that into the air. Put your blessings into the air. You feel me? So yeah, with that being said, I am Kaycgocraz, clothing brand owner, which is Lover Drugs. Follow down below. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you want a clothing brand, if you want to own a clothing brand, come on this journey with me. Me building mine. And I'm going to teach y'all all how to do it. You feel me? And if y'all blow, I want y'all to blow up. I want y'all to blow up. You feel me? That's why we on this mission together. The fuck? But with that being said, I must have finished the rest of this hoodie, detail it up. You know, I showed y'all the basics of this. So with that being said, wait till the next video. I got an artist. I actually got an artist in this hoodie right here. So y'all wait for that video next. He shouted out Lover Drugs. I'm not telling y'all gonna have to wait till the next video. So put that notification bell on, hit that subscribe button, and follow my socials down below. It's Lover Drugs. It's Kaycgocraz. You feel me? We gonna keep teaching y'all how to run a clothing brand, how to start a clothing brand, anything. You feel me? We're up to the top with this. Kaycgocraz, aka Lover Drugs. You already know. That my little bit, but she already know. That my little bit, but she already know.